Now our topic is similar triangles. In this constructions are very most important. Before that, similar triangles or similar means what? Similarity means what? For example, twins or few families, father and son or some two brothers look like same in the shapes, not in the size. So size is not important. So those type of called are similar. So in this similar triangles, one question is given. Construct a triangle ABC. AB equal 5 centimeter, BC equal 7 centimeter, angle ABC is equal 50 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to whose sides are 4 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So in the similar triangles, constructions are very most important. 4 marks questions. First of all, we have to construct a triangle ABC with measurements AB, BC, angle ABC. So I'm taking BC or AB, anything one of I'm taking. So this, first of all, I'm taking BC 7 centimeters. BC equal 7 centimeters. So here I am taking 7 only. So for 2 centimeters I have taken 1 centimeter. But in your notebook you must take 7 means 7 only. Okay now. For appearing I am taking some greater value. So it is 7 centimeter only. Next, AB equal to 5 centimeters. A may be in the upside. Next, ABC equal 50 degrees. So at B we have to make angle 50 degrees. So to make 50 degrees I am taking with the protractor. Even with compass also we can make the angle. But with protractor it is easy to make. What is the angle? 50 degrees. So here it is 50 degrees. Okay na? From C to upside. So this BC is joining this point to BC. So So this is taken as some X ray. Okay now, how many degrees this is? 50 degrees. Next, what is the AB? 5 centimeter. BC 7 centimeters. Line segment drawn. Next, angle ABC 50 degrees. So at B 50 degrees angle made. Next, BX, on BX A may be on the upside. So AB equal 5 centimeter we have to take. So with compass taking 5 centimeters on the scale. So 0 to 5 centimeters. So from B to 5 centimeters. Okay. So this is an arc. It makes a radius 5 centimeters. So I got it. Join AC. Going to join AC. Yes, AC is joined. So first information, a triangle is constructed. So for this triangle we have to draw another similar triangles, and those triangle sides must be 4 by 5 of the given triangle. So 4 by 5 of this given triangle. So is it 4 by 5 less than 1 or greater than 1? It is less than 1. Yes, right. So denominator is more, then value is less than 1. So less than 1 means the triangle must be inside the triangle ABC. So first of all, to make another triangle, first of all I am drawing a ray with some acute angle. Some acute means it must be less than 90. So approximately we can take like this or this or this. That is our wish. Okay na? I am taking like little bit. I am taking like this way. Okay. Is it acute or not? That's enough. Taking some y. So next, what is the denominator? 5 is there. 5 is more. So we have to divide this into 5 equal parts with compass. How many equal parts? 5 equal parts with some radius. So how much radius means? It is not important. The radius must be equal in between any 2 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we have to extend this line. Okay, now I'm extending this line because of it is not sufficient. So, okay. Okay, now. Okay, this is taking as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Next what? Join B5, C. Joining B5, C. B5, C. And next what? 4 is there. So from B4 join a line. It should be parallel to B5C. So how can we draw? So this is B5C. Yes. Yeah. Is B5C. So I have to draw a parallel line from B4 because of 4 by 5 means from 5 parts take 4 parts. So this is B4 to this is taking as B. What is this? C means C dash. Next, similarly, draw two parallel line from AC to from C. So I'm taking AC. I'm keeping AC and moving towards C dash up to C dash. Okay. So C dash is there. Okay. So this is the required triangle. So BA means A dash. So A dash B C dash. A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So first triangle is what? ABC is the first triangle. Next triangle is what? A dash B C dash is the first triangle. So you can check each and every side. Okay, now AB is what here? AB equal to 5 centimeters. I'm multiplying with 4 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. How many? 4 centimeter. Is 4, sorry. AB equal to how much? 5 centimeters. So A dash B should be AB into 4 by 5 times the side. What is AB? 5 into 4 by 5. So 5 cancel. So A dash B must be 4 centimeter. Is it right or not? So I am just checking. Okay, na? So I am getting 4 centimeters. So this is the right answer. Not only one side, you can check other two sides also, but you will get same way of explanation. So required triangle A dash B C dash is the constructed. Okay, na? Just once listen what we have done. First of all, draw a ray BC equals 7 centimeter, BC equals 7 centimeters. Next, make an angle 50 degrees because of angle ABC is 50 degrees given. So at B, 50 degrees angle made. Next, that line, that ray is taken as X. On BX, draw an arc with 5 centimeters because of BA is 5 centimeters. So BA becomes 5 centimeter. Here drawn an arc. Next, join AC. So ABC is constructed. Next, from B, draw a ray with acute angle. Next, this on this ray, okay, draw arcs such that B1 equal B1 B2 equal B2 B3 equal B3 B4 equal B4 B5. Next, joined B5C. Next, a parallel B4 C dash to B5C is drawn. Next, a parallel line C dash A dash is drawn to CA. So now A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So this is the explanation. This is the verification. Next a small information is the steps. Okay, now how to write the steps or construction steps. So what are the steps? First one is draw a line segment BC equals 7 centimeter, and second one is make an angle 50 degrees at B. Next, third point is, okay, now draw an arc BA equal 5 centimeter on ray BX. Next, join AC. Next, okay, now triangle ABC is constructed, and next point is draw a ray BY with some acute angle, and draw some arcs such that B1 equal B1 B2 equal so and so equal B4 B5. Next, join B5C. Next, draw a parallel line B4C dash to B5C, and next, join C dash A dash a parallel line to CA, and triangle A dash B C dash required triangle is constructed. This is the solution. This is less than one type questions. Friends, please subscribe and watch, share with your friends, and I'm taking one more question. Similarly, next third question is construct an equilateral triangle XYZ of sides 5 cm. So here mentioned that it is an equilateral triangle, so each side is 5 cm. Okay, and construct another triangle similar to triangle XYZ. Each of its sides is 4 by 5 of the sides of triangle XYZ. Okay, na? So this is for your work. So one and two questions are explained. So based on those questions, you can simplify this question. So a small information. Just we have to remember that it is a equilateral triangle. So that's why if one side is 5 cm, each side becomes 5. So you can take xy equal to 5, yz equal to 5, zx is equal to 5. Okay, na? Draw a equilateral triangle. Next, draw similar to given 4 by 5 triangle. So they are also previous question. Next, taking one more question, which is more than one type of question. Okay, next question, fourth one in this. Construct a triangle of sides 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it, whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So 1.5 means what? 1 by 2 means 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 times triangle we should draw. So is it 3 by 2 less than 1 or greater than 1? It is greater than 1, means it is more than 1. So our new triangle will be more than the given triangle. So what is given triangle? So given triangle measurements are 5, 6, 7. So let I am taking first 6 centimeters. Okay, na? So here no one triangle is mentioned. So I am taking triangle is ABC. So solution. Let given that I am taking some AB equal to 5 centimeter and BC equal to 6 and CA equal to 7. First I am taking BC. Okay, na? In middle. So how many centimeters BC? 6 centimeters. So yeah, I'm drawing 6 centimeters. So BC equal 6 centimeter. So dear friends, you have to take 6 means 6 only, okay, na? On the paper. And next AB 5 centimeter, CA 7 centimeter. So what is AB? Okay, BC 6 centimeters, drawn a line segment. Next, what is AB 5 centimeters? How much AB? 5 centimeters. Okay, na? Here for our convenient I am taking, okay, this BA 5 centimeters. So taking B as center, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. Next, what is the other one? CA 7 centimeters. Okay, na? So taking 7 centimeters. Okay, na? With taking C as center and drawing an arc. That is A. So this is A. This is A. Now join AB and AC. AB and AC. Okay, na? This is C. So required triangle ABC is constructed. This is 5 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. So our new triangle will be 1.5 times. 1.5 means 3 by 2. So draw a ray with some acute angle from B. Okay, taking as some X or Y, that is our wish. Next, we have to draw arcs, but how many arcs should be drawn? Here, most probably 3 are enough. Okay, now which is more among the 3 are 2. 3 is. So, 3 parts we have to divide. 3 should be equal parts. So, that's why. Okay. Next, on BX, I'm drawing some few arcs. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So now this is taking as B1, B2, B3. So small change. If we have to draw less than 1, we have to join last B3 and C. But here we should get more than the previous triangle because the value is greater than. So we should get more than this triangle. More than this triangle. So to get more than this triangle, we should take what is the minimum value? 2. So B2C is joined. B2C is joined. Okay, na? B2C is joined. Next, we have to join from B3. So BC and BA should be extended. So BC should be extended because of we have to get a triangle. It should be more than the previous triangle. So it should be more than. So I am removing the question. Now what is the question? Okay, na? So BA also extended. Why I am extending? Our required triangle, our required similar triangle must be more than the triangle ABC. So now B to C is there. From B to C, draw a parallel line. From B3, some C dash. So I am going to draw a parallel line. Okay. Yes. No, okay. So now moving to B3. Okay, na? B3 is here. So I'm keeping again. One is on B2C, that's B2C, and next will be yes. So our C means it is C dash. Next again a parallel line. So C dash to here, that should be parallel to CA. So I'm drawing from here. We have to join, draw a parallel line to AC from C dash to somewhere. Okay, na? Not possible with this. So I'm drawing a parallel line with the help of compass and scale. First of all, I'm taking some measurement from C to towards B. Okay, na? How much we are taking? With same measurement, take from C dash to here. Next from here to, okay na, from here to line. So here we are getting, okay na? So how much we have taken from here? This much, okay na? Same take from here also. So it may be like this. The next it is here. Next, measure the distance from C to here. So measure the distance from C dash to here. So this is the intersecting point. So now join C dash to intersecting point, you will get a parallel. And moreover, I will tell you simple technique. Okay na? Instead of these all things, simply take a scale, put on AC. Okay na? Move from CA to meet C dash. Okay na? You will find the parallel line. Okay na? Okay na? Here two ways I told you. Sorry, three ways I told you. So parallel line can be drawn with using this type of instruments, and with help of compass we can draw parallel line. Okay na? From C to how much radius taken, C dash to also take same radius, and from this point to same radius, and this point to same radius. Next how much it is, the same radius can be taken from C dash to here. So that is intersecting point is got it. So from C dash to through intersecting point, draw a ray or line. So it will be intersected, be produced at A dash. Or simply how can we draw parallel line? Simply take a scale, put on a line and move which is parallel to same distance. You check the distance. Okay na? Here also. Move, check the distance, everywhere same or not. If it is same, that is parallel. Okay, this A dash B C dash is the required triangle. A dash B C dash is the required triangle. It must be 1.5 times the ABC triangle. So this is a new similar triangle in the constructions. So how can we check? What is BC? BC is called 6 centimeter. So BC dash must be BC into 1.5 means 3 by 2. So what is BC? 6 into 3 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. 3 3 ja how much? 9. So you can check whether it is 9 centimeter or not. If it is 9 centimeters, our construction is right. So this is the verification. Okay na? that is to know whether our diagram is right or not. So verification is importance that. Next, what are the construction steps? Okay, now what we have done, those are the steps of the construction. Okay, now what is the first step? We drawn BC 6 centimeters. First of all, drawn BC equal 6 centimeters. Okay, now BC. Next, what we did with the compass, okay, making B as center, draw an arc with radius 5 centimeter. Okay, now next, making C as center with compass, draw an arc with radius 7 centimeter, which intersect the previous arc at a point that is taken as A. Okay, na? First to draw a line segment BC equals 6 centimeter, and with compass making say B as center, draw an arc with radius 5 centimeters. Next, with compass taking center C, draw a arc with radius 7 centimeter, which intersect at A. Next, join AB, AC. Next, triangle ABC is constructed. Okay, na? For given information, triangle is constructed. Next, how to draw similar triangles. Okay, na? Draw a ray with some acute angle BX. Next, on BX, draw plot the points B1, B2, B3 such that B1 equal B1, B2 equal B2, B3. Okay, and the next point, what is the next point? Join B to C. Okay, now we have to get more than previous triangle. So our new triangle will be out of the given triangle. So B to C is joined. B to C by 1.5 means what? 2 1 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So okay, 2 is there. B to C joined. Next, to draw a parallel line from B3 to B to C. Okay, B to C ke parallel line. B3 nunchi towards C dash. Similarly, draw another parallel line C dash A dash to CA. Now A dash B C dash is the required similar triangle of whose sides are 1.5 times the first triangle. These are the steps. So dear friends, these are the similar triangles 4 marks construction questions. These are very most important, and if you understand clearly, it is very easy. So happily by playing we can draw these diagrams. So please friends, subscribe and share with your friends and groups also. All the best, take good marks. I will give you one more question for your work. That is, okay, now 5 questions are completed. Next is 6. Draw a triangle. That is our wish. Draw a triangle. Question is like this given, maybe. So no measurements are given. Draw a triangle and similar to given triangle with 5 by 3 times 5 friends of the first triangle. So here what is question? We have to draw a similar triangle 5 by 3 times the first triangle. What is the first triangle? Okay, now there are no given any measurements of the first triangle. So what we have to do? We have to do our own way. Okay, now our wish. We have to write a triangle that is with no need to take any measurements. Just simply by using scale. Okay, now draw some diagram, and then next to get 5 by 3, draw a ray with making acute angle and draw an arc and follow the way of what we have done in the previous question. So these are the similar triangles, important constructions. So very most important. If you are able to draw these constructions, you have 4 marks definitely. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.